Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can close background running apps on iPhone. So now without further ado, let's get started. So let's start with the step 1, that is to close background apps. So if you have been using apps like YouTube or Instagram, simply swinging up doesn't fully close them. They are still running in the background. So to completely close them, simply swipe up from the bottom of the screen and hold for a second. And you'll see all open apps in carousel view. So simply swipe up on each app to fully close it. And with that, let's move forward to the step 2. That is disabling background app refreshes. So to save battery life and prevent apps from running in the background unnecessarily, simply go to the settings. Once you are inside the settings, simply tap on general. Now here in this section, you can see the option labeled as background app refresh. So simply tap on that. And now here in this section, simply tap on background app refresh again. And here I recommend switching it off to stop apps from constantly using battery and data. And that's it. Now your iPhone will run more efficiently. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.